Hey everyone. So we all know that recently OpenAI launched its GPT-4o. So I decided to see that whether GPT-4o can write a simple Tetris game in Python using Pygame module or not. So let's see how it goes. So I asked ChatGPT to code Tetris game in two different modules, Pygame and Ursina engine. First, I asked ChatGPT to code it in Pygame and I guided it stepwise. In step 1, I asked to set up the game window and initialize the Pygame module. And in step 2, I asked to define the game grid in which the pieces will be falling. And in step 3, I asked to create the Tetris pieces. There are total 7 pieces in the Tetris game. And in step 4, I asked to implement the game loop in which the whole game will be running and the collisions will be detected. In step 5, I asked to add game controls like using the words WASD keys of the keyboard to for the movement of the pieces. And finally, I asked ChatGPT to display the score and handle the game over function so that the game runs properly. Then I copied the code and pasted it in VS Code, and the moment I pressed the run button, the error popped up. It was a simple syntax error. I copied the error and again went to the ChatGPT and asked to fix that error. And then afterwards, ChatGPT fixed that error. And then when I went to VS Code again and ran the code, it was running properly, but the mistake ChatGPT did was that the pieces were going out of the grid. That means that the game is not running properly. So I again went to ChatGPT and asked to fix the problem again, and then afterwards when I ran the game, it was running properly and the game was without any error. Afterwards, I asked ChatGPT to code the Tetris game using the Ursina engine. So ChatGPT wrote the code in just few seconds, and then afterwards I just copied the code and again went to the VS Code and pasted it. And the moment I ran the code, I received a type error. So I again copied the error and went to ChatGPT and asked to fix the error. And again ChatGPT wrote the code in just few seconds. Afterwards, I went to VS Code again and pasted the code over there, and again there was some kind of error. I guess that was a game loop error, because of which the screen was not loading properly. So I asked ChatGPT several times, but it was unable to fix that error. So, in conclusion, we can say that ChatGPT was successful in creating a Tetris game in Python, but we can't say that it is perfect in creating Tetris game, because it is not able to create the game using selective frameworks. It only created the game using the Pygame module. So if you want me to make more videos like this, tell me down in the comment section. That was it for today's video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.